Have you been noticing the number 6666 showing up in your life lately? Whether it's on your phone, a street sign, or even a receipt, this repeating number sequence might be more than just a coincidence. The 6666 angel number is a powerful message from the universe, urging you to seek balance and harmony in your life. Today, we'll explore the profound meanings behind this number and how it can influence your journey in love, career, spirituality, and more. So, let's get started. The 6666 angel number is a spiritual message symbolizing the need for balance. Its appearance in your life is a gentle nudge from your guardian angels, encouraging you to take a step back and evaluate where imbalance may exist. Whether it's in your relationships, career, or personal growth, the 6666 number sequence serves as a reminder to harmonize these aspects and create a more fulfilling life. This number's significance is deeply rooted in numerology, where the number 6 is associated with balance, harmony, and compassion. Seeing 6666 amplifies these qualities, as the repetition of 6 4 times magnifies its energy, urging you to take action and restore balance in your life. While the 6666 angel number is ultimately a positive symbol, it's important to understand that it doesn't guarantee change or action on its own. Angel numbers like 6666 often appear as repeating patterns that your subconscious mind picks up on. These patterns can be powerful motivators, prompting you to reflect on what the universe might be trying to communicate. By tapping into your intuition, you can better understand the next steps you need to take to foster harmony in your life. The 6666 number is a call to action, a reminder that balance is essential for your well-being, and it's up to you to make the necessary changes. Now, let's dive deeper into the meaning of the 6666 angel number and how it applies to different aspects of your life. Whether it's in love, your career, or your spiritual journey, 6666 carries a message of balance, harmony, and positive change. Your angels are sending you this sequence as a sign that it's time to address any discord and take steps towards creating a more harmonious existence. So, let's explore what the 6666 angel number really means for you. Firstly, the 6666 angel number signifies the need for balance and harmony in life. This sequence is a message from your guardian angels, encouraging you to make changes where needed. Whether it's in your personal life, professional endeavors, or financial situation, the appearance of 6666 is a motivational signal to create order and remind you of your ability to make positive changes. It's a call to look inward and identify areas of imbalance, then take actionable steps to restore equilibrium. Joanne Walmsley of Sacred Scribes offers insight into the message of disharmony carried by 6666. She explains, when the 6666 number sequence appears to you, it is an indication that your thoughts are out of balance, and you are focused too much on the material aspects of your life. This interpretation aligns with the broader meaning of 6666 in numerology, where the number 6 represents harmony and compassion. When repeated 4 times, as in 6666, the energy of the number 6 is greatly amplified, urging you to refocus on the things that truly matter: love, relationships, personal growth, and inner peace. In numerology, the number 6 is a symbol of balance, love, and nurturing. When you see 6666, it's a sign that these qualities need to be emphasized in your life. The combination of 66 and 666 within the sequence further reinforces this message. The number 66 relates to the need for balance, particularly in relationships and personal well-being, while 666 urges you to spread positivity and love, especially within your family and close relationships. Together, these numbers form the divine sequence 6666, which signifies major shifts, a redirection of attention, and a strong urge to find and maintain balance. Seeing 6666 frequently can encourage you to reflect on your life. These recurring appearances are not random, they are a type of universal synchronicity, patterns that our subconscious minds unconsciously pick up on. In the case of 6666, it might be your mind's way of signaling an area of imbalance in your life. For instance, you might be dedicating too much time to work and neglecting your personal relationships, or perhaps you're overly focused on financial concerns at the expense of your mental health. The appearance of 6666 prompts you to reflect on these issues and take steps to restore harmony. It's also important to note that seeing 6666 is not a sign of bad luck. Although the related sequence 666 has negative connotations in some cultures, particularly due to its association with the Bible, both 666 and 6666 are angel numbers that symbolize healing, balance, and harmony. When you see 6666, take it as a positive message from your angels, guiding you toward a more balanced and harmonious life. Embrace the opportunity to make changes and improve your well-being. Additionally, the 6666 angel number holds positive significance in other cultures. For example, in Chinese culture, the number 6 is considered highly fortunate, symbolizing good luck and smooth progress in business. The repetition of the number in 6666 amplifies its auspiciousness. The sequence is especially favorable for financial matters, as the number 6 phonetically resembles flow in Mandarin and good fortune in Cantonese. Furthermore, 6666 is used to express admiration or congratulations, with the additional 6 enhancing the sentiment. So, if you see 6666, it could be a sign that good fortune and smooth progress are on the horizon. The 6666 angel number has a profound meaning in love as well. In matters of the heart, 6666 signals the need for equilibrium and positive change. Its appearance is a reminder to be more affectionate and connected with your loved ones. All love is reciprocal, and the energy you put into your relationships will come back to you. Angel number expert Doreen Virtue emphasizes this point, stating, "Angel number 6666 means it is time to open your heart to your loved ones and show them who you really are down to your very being." Seeing angel numbers like 6666 also serves as a warning of potential imbalance in your relationships. It's a cue to harmonize your personal and professional life, ensuring that you make room for those you care about as you pursue your career goals. Relationships thrive on attention and care, and 6666 encourages you to find the right balance between work and love. If you've been neglecting your loved ones, now is the time to reassess your priorities and make changes that foster stronger, more harmonious connections. Moreover, the 6666 angel number highlights the need for positive changes in romantic relationships. It urges you to connect with your feelings and communicate openly with your partner, allowing your relationship to grow. For those who are single, 6666 suggests that a joyful shift in your love life may be on the horizon. While 6666 cannot guarantee a new partner, its positive energy promotes change, and you may find an exciting connection in the near future. Whether you're in a relationship or single, 6666 encourages you to embrace love with an open heart and a positive outlook. The 6666 angel number is also significant for twin flames. Twin flames are often described as mirror images of each other, and meeting your twin flame is a crucial part of your life's journey. When you see 6666, it's a sign that you're on the right path to meeting, reuniting, or deepening your connection with your twin flame. For those who are already with their twin flame, 6666 represents progress in your connection, leading to mutual discovery and growth. If you and your twin flame are currently separated, the 6666 angel number symbolizes the need to part ways temporarily to restore balance and harmony. This separation is an opportunity for individual growth and realignment, which will set the foundation for a renewed and happier relationship. Alternatively, 6666 may indicate that a reunion is near. In this case, the sequence emphasizes the importance of maintaining balance, harmony, and calmness to form a lasting connection. The repeated success in 6666 also stressed the importance of equality and accepting responsibility for the separation, which are essential for a healthy twin flame reunion. The spiritual meaning of the 6666 angel number is deeply significant as well. There are two primary spiritual messages associated with 6666. Firstly, it symbolizes the beginning of your spiritual journey. This journey promises enlightenment and increased confidence in your abilities. Your guardian angels are sending you this repeating number sequence to assure you of their support in your endeavors, including the path ahead. Secondly, 6666 encourages you to never give up. Embrace the positive energy that the repeated success bring, and dispel any fears and doubts as you work to bring greater spiritual harmony into your life. Angel number 6666 also conveys additional spiritual messages in the context of manifestation. The sequence suggests that focusing on your dreams and maintaining a balance between desires and reality is key to successful manifestation. It aligns with the law of attraction, which teaches that positive thoughts lead to positive outcomes. By adopting an optimistic mindset and staying true to your goals, 6666 encourages you to manifest your ideal job, relationship, or opportunity. The sequence serves as a beacon of balance and direction, guiding you toward the life you desire. In addition to its general spiritual meanings, the 6666 angel number holds significance in various religious and cultural contexts. For example, in Christianity, there is no direct angel number 6666 meaning, but its connection to the number 6 relates to God's grace upon sinners and the 6 days of creation. On the sixth day, God created human beings and instructed them to labor for 6 days, making the number 6 a symbol of divine grace and work. In Hebrew tradition, 6666 signifies righteousness and justice, often linked to the concept of tzedakah, which translates to righteousness and divine labor. In Hindu beliefs, the number 6 represents the mind as the sixth human sense, encompassing 6 positive faculties and 6 negative impurities. The 6666 angel number in this context emphasizes the need for balance and understanding of oneself for a healthy mind. The repeated appearance of 6 in 6666 highlights the importance of maintaining mental harmony and addressing both the positive and negative aspects of the mind to achieve inner peace and spiritual growth. Beyond spirituality, the 6666 angel number also has implications for your financial life. Seeing 6666 emphasizes the importance of balance regarding your finances. If you've been stressed about money, 6666 serves as a reminder that life is about balancing the good with the bad. It encourages you to shift your focus away from financial worries and towards finding equilibrium in your financial habits. The angel number can't promise wealth, but it does inspire you to be more prudent about your spending, saving, and investing. By adopting a balanced approach to your finances, you can alleviate stress and create a more stable financial future. Similarly, the 6666 angel number symbolizes rewards and balance in your career. The sequence is a sign that your hard work is paying off and that you're on the path to success. However, your angels still encourage you to maintain inner equilibrium. While dedication is important, 6666 reminds you not to force success by overworking yourself. Instead, find a balance between your professional ambitions and your personal well-being. Being steadfast yet mindful is key to professional growth, and 6666 is a reminder that true success comes when you achieve harmony in all areas of your life. In conclusion, the 6666 angel number is a profound message from your guardian angels, offering guidance and support as you navigate life's challenges. Whether it's about finding balance in love, career, finances, or spirituality, 6666 is a reminder that harmony is essential for your well-being. Your angels are with you, encouraging you to trust in yourself and take the necessary steps to create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Have you been seeing 6666 lately? How has it influenced your life? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 6666 angel number. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into angel numbers and spiritual guidance. Until next time, stay balanced, stay positive, and keep moving forward on your journey to harmony.